how to find free items in Roblox. So what I've done is I've just logged into Roblox here, and I'm gonna go to the marketplace. Now from the marketplace, we want to select the category of item that we are searching for. So I'll just go to clothing and I'll select all clothing. So here we want to scroll down, and first we want to sort it by price, so low to high. And you'll probably have all of these different limited edition items which aren't really free. So if you want to find them or find ones that are actually free, we'll scroll here to the creator section, and we'll check this box and we will search for Roblox and then click on go. Now, as you can see, you will find all of these free items in Roblox, and they're not limited edition, and you can just buy them. If you click on them, you can just buy, get now, and as you can see, now we own this. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.